Alright, my people. Stew chicken, spinach rice. About to make this right now. Onion, okra, green seasoning, a 6-pound chicken already seasoned, fresh spinach, and you have to put your coconut milk. So I'll show you the finished product when I'm done. Awesome. Alright folks, so we're about to get started here. So first you give it a little seasoning. And make sure your stuff seasoned well, Trini style. Spinach rice. And you're doing with your rice. Let that fry a little. Then your okra, Trini thing. In goes the spinach. And you're going to let that steam now. After a few minutes, the coconut milk is going to go in there. Some nice golden ray. Yes. Coconut milk after. Looking good, smelling right. In goes your golden ray. That's a real flavor. Spinach rice, Trini style. Nice. So you leave it, let it boil. Maybe 45 to an hour. And I'll see the final product after. This coupled with stew chicken, Trini style. I'm going to show you how to do the stew chicken in a minute, okay? With a little brown sugar. This is stew the chicken, the brown chicken. Wait for that to caramelize. Then you'll throw in your chicken. Nice. Yeah, this is how we do things in Trinidad. The right way. So. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Whatever menu you want, let me know. I'll go for it. Show me the chicken. I'm gonna brown. There we go. Wicked. Alright folks, you'll see the finished product when I'm done with this. Stew chicken with spinach rice. Beautiful. Finished product. Love in the house. Finished product. Stew chicken with okra rice with spinach. Trini style. Like and subscribe.